Yeah, hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the topic. We have already discussed this topic. Mm, Addition of integers. Okay. Example. We take an example. -1 plus 7 minus 5. Okay, he has given, actually I have taken here three integers. Two are negative integers and one is positive integer, and whatever is there inside the bracket, that sign indicates which kind of integer is that. It is negative sign, negative integer, and it is negative integer, and it is positive integer, and whatever is there, the sign outside the bracket, I mean between these three brackets, it indicates addition, and here it is positive. Look at the difference. Okay, it is a positive integer, and these two are negative integers, and we are adding them. Okay, this is addition symbol, and it is positive integer symbol. Okay, don't say that plus 7 is nothing but it is addition 7. Just understand. Okay, now what minus 1 means, what 1 minus you need to take. 7 means how many 7s we need to take, how many ones we need to take. Imagine, I told you already. If you look at my previous video, you'll understand. Plus 7 is nothing but I have 1 rupee coins. I need 7 rupees. What I'll do, I'll take 7 1 rupee coins. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it is 7. Okay, now minus 5 is nothing but, minus indicates negative number. Okay, how many negatives minus 5 is nothing but, if you take negative cards 5 numbers 5 times, it will become minus 5. 1 2 3 4, and the last one 5. Okay, and we need to add them. Now if you observe, how many how many red cards you can see. There are two groups. Okay, one is on a starting side, one at the starting point, and another one is at the ending point. These two are in same color, right? So totally how many are there? Red. 5 plus 1 6, and here green cards are how many totally? 7. As we counted, it is 7. Both negative numbers are represented with the red cards. So minus 5 means nothing but 5 I have taken, minus 1 is nothing but 1 I have taken. Totally how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this represents, I'm adding these two first. Okay, so when I'm adding both negative numbers, what is the answer I got? Minus 6. And whatever remaining positive numbers are there, write in a bracket. Actually, how many integers we have taken? 3 integers. After simplifying, finally how many integers we got? 2 integers. You take 1000 integers to add, finally you are going to get 2 integers only. Group of all negative numbers, group of all positive numbers, group of all pink cards, red cards, group of all green cards. So now you can add them, mix them. Okay, so how to mix? Using this property, additive inverse property. Okay, plus 1 and minus 1, if you add, it will become 0. So plus 1 minus 1, it is 0, right? 0 0 0 0 0. So how many cards left in my hand? Only one card. That which one? Green card. Which green card is nothing but plus 1. So what is the answer? Plus 1. Okay, the answer is plus 1. So before writing the answer, you'll come to know what is the answer actually. So minus 6 is nothing but 6 red cards, plus 7 is nothing but 7 green cards. So number of which cards are more? Obviously green cards are more. So your answer also you are going to get in green card. Whichever cards are more in your hand, which type of cards are more, answer also you are going to get in the same card integer. Okay, for example, according to this example, here I have 7 green cards and 6 red cards. Which cards are more? Green cards are more. Answer also you are going to get in green cards. So simply green, whatever cards are more, from that you need to remove red cards. How can I remove? By using this property +1 -1, which is equals to 0. If you take out all these things like this, 6 red cards here are there. So you need to take 6 green cards, so that if you add each to each red and green, you'll get 0. So how many red are there? Those many green you are taking, you are mixing, and you are treating it as a 0. Okay, 1 0 0. So for 6 red cards we have taken 6 green cards, all those become 0. Now whatever left is there, that is the highest number of cards whichever you were having, that will be there. So according to this question, I have a green card, so only one card is there, so it is +1. Hope you have understood. Let's take another example. Okay, minus 13 plus of -1. Now tell me, I have taken two negative integers, so I need to take, because it is negative integer minus 13, I need to take 13 red cards. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 oops 12 and 13. Okay, next one more card I should take, which indicates another integer -1. Okay, now how many types of cards you can see here? Only one type, that is red cards. Both are red cards only, so I cannot use this property. Okay, simply I have, in my left hand I have 2 rupee coins, in my right hand I have 1 rupee coins. Totally how many coins I'm having? Obviously 3. So in my left hand how many cards I have? 13 cards, 13 red cards. In my right hand how many cards I have? 1 card. So totally if you add, how many red cards are there? 14. So because these are 14 cards and red color cards indicates minus, so the answer will be -14. Next, one more question. Minus 10 plus 7 plus 3 minus 2. Okay, let's start. First one is -10. So how many I need to take? 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 I have taken. Next, plus 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 over, right? So 7. Next, 3. 1 2 3. Next, 2 minus 2. Minus 2 indicates 2 red coins. Okay, oh sorry. So these are indicates. Okay, now whenever he gives more than 2 integers to add, you just need to simply see how many negative numbers are there. See, I have 2 negative numbers and 2 positive numbers. Try to write all together, negative numbers together and positive numbers together. So I am writing first positive number, plus 7 plus 3, then -10 -2. Underline these two. It indicates that these two are positive and these two are negative. Plus 7 plus 3. Plus 7 indicates 7 green cards. Plus 3 indicates 3 green cards. So both are green, so I am adding. Okay. Now -10 indicates 10 negative cards, 10 red cards. Minus 2 indicates 2 red cards. Both are red color, so I'm just adding. Okay, now totally how many green cards are there? For 7 and 3. Totally how many? 10. So I'm writing plus 10 because green it is. I am writing here plus 10. Okay, now plus I'm adding these two numbers. So 10 red cards I have taken, 2 red cards I have taken. 10 plus 2, how many red cards totally? 12. So red indicates minus. So what I can write here? Minus 12. Now, totally, not totally. Among these two types of cards, which color cards are more? 10, 12. Plus 10, minus 12. Don't see the signs because we are treating as a card here. Okay, 10 cards are there, 12 cards are there. Which cards are more? 12 cards are more here. Which type of cards are these? Red color. So answer also you are going to get in red color. See, I'm adding 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So how many cards left? 2 cards. Which color? Red color. Red indicates minus. So what is the answer? Minus 2. Clear? So if you check one more example, let's take one more example. I already written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 integers are there. Among these 5 integers, 2 are positive, 3 are negative. So I have written all positive numbers together and negative numbers together. Okay. Now plus 4 is nothing but 4 green cards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 2 plus 2 indicates 2 red cards. Both are red. I'm adding. Okay. Next, minus 2 means 2 red cards. Minus 3 means 3 red cards. Minus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9. So 9, 3, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 red coins means minus 14. So which number of cards are more here? Obviously red cards are more. So answer also you are going to get in same red cards. Okay. Now which is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So whatever remaining cards are there, that is the answer. Okay. Let's count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minus 8 is the answer.